How to fix Facebook verification code not received. So if you want to fix your Facebook verification code not received, then what you need to do is you just need simply make sure that you've turned on your internet connection. If you are receiving it on your email, then you need to have stable internet connection. Once you have your internet connection, now if you're receiving on your phone number, then what you need to do is just simply go and restart your device at first. Once you've restarted, then again go with the process, go with send code, and you will receive the code. But if you're still not receiving the code, then you can just simply tap and hold on to your Facebook, go with your app info. Under your app info, you need to go with storage and cache, and after that tap on clear cache. Once you've cleared your cache, now your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then just go back again and tap on uninstall and uninstall the application, and then again install it from your app store or your play store and try to log into your account, and your verification code will be received. Or if that still doesn't work, then the last thing you need to do is just open up your Play Store and search for Facebook. And if you have any updates under your Facebook, then you just need simply go and update it. After updating, your problem will be fixed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.